How long do people generally take to get this sort of thing right? Did I look up to him in time? Hi, I'm Toby, one of the directors here at Roland Rims. We are a family-run business based in Great Dunmow in Essex, with over 25 years experience in alloy wheel repair and refurbishment. Since opening, we have had over 100,000 wheels through our doors, all the way from powder coating to a three-piece split ring. This is why we have such a good reputation at Roland Rims, because of the lads that work here. They're the ones that keep the wheels going through. Their standards never drop, no matter the day, week. It's raining outside, 30 degrees, they're working just as hard as the day before. We pride ourselves in having the best customer service in Essex.